You must step down candidates who won and benefited from the rotten system of FU COMELEC, especially from FEUCSO, FU MKSC, IASSC, IESC, IHSNSC, and PsychSoc. We know who you are, should not have been proclaimed in the first place due to the higher number of abstentions compared to their actual votes. You must step down from your positions kung tunay kayong may prinsipyo at handang pakinggan ang boses ng bawat tama raw. If I could only mention your names here, ginawa ko na. But you yourselves know that you were only proclaimed because of the system. And you don't deserve to be proclaimed as winners in the first place. And to FU COMELEC, binastos nyo ang boses ng mga estudyante. You are encouraging everyone to vote but in the end, mas pinili ninyong baliwalain ang malinaw na mensahe ng abstain kaysa kilalanin na may malaking dissatisfaction ng student body sa sistema at sa mga kandidato.